multiply two-digit number in a second. So to multiply two-digit number, first we have to take any number. Like this is 13. So 13 into 13. First what we have to do is first write the first digit, which is 1. Then add the second digit, that is 3 plus 3, which is 6. Then multiply second digit, that is 3 into 3, which is 9. So 13 into 13 equals to 169. So it is a simple way we can just multiply in seconds. We can take another number like 12. 12 into 12, which equals, first write first digit, that is 1. Next 2 plus 2, that's 4. Then 2 into 2, that is 4. So 12 into 12, which equals 144.